Mom. Yeah. Look at what Mark was wearing when I came out.
This is what I was wearing, though.
I thought he was doing it as a joke.
Well, I don't know how to dress up.
Well, that's like...
But you just need to find a cute.
Yeah.
That was pretty embarrassing, but I got these shoes, this outfit. Today's my sister's graduation, so we're gonna go deal with that.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on.
Now, what does that mean, limited mobility? Only handicap can go in there?
Alright, so a problem that I was having recently whenever I was driving my Civic, it was clicking around like that, and that was due to this little rubber grommet thing. Goes right here, bada bing bada boom. This little pin bends around, goes right in here, right in there like that. But the problem was with that pin in there and without it, there was a bunch of space like that, and that's because of my other little grommet thing down there completely like busted. It just killed itself. I need to kind of gettily find a little grommet that'll fit this hole, so we're gonna go find that. Alright, so I found 3 that kind of have a similar size hole. So we're just gonna kind of go for it. See what happens. Alright, so a problem that I'm kind of facing right now is the grommet went inside this as well. As you see, there's a lot of gap, a lot of play in between the bar and this thing. That said, I need to find a way to counteract that play. So I'm just going to cut this electrical tape into like a 3rd line and just make a long strip and kind of make a grommet that'll just fit inside of it and hope for the best. So I got the tape on. I got this little washer on. I got this little rubber grommet thing on. And I just kind of bended that thing back on, and it's nice and stiff. I've always liked the idea of driving around a gutted Civic, so this isn't exactly fully gutted. Obviously, I put the back stuff back in and all that, but I'm gonna take this out for a little drive real quick. This is something else. Oh, balls. Oh, come on. I think I just ruined that mount. Oh, Jesus. This is what you call gutted. You gotta drive it like this. If you're not driving your car gutted like this, don't consider your car gutted. Honestly, this is a lot of fun. I kind of like driving the Civic like this. Makes me feel like I'm on a track. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna put this all back together. It's not very fun to watch, but you guys know what to do. If you enjoyed this video or if you disliked this video, thumbs up or thumbs down. If you want to see more, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.